In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset a Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi router step by step. Before we begin, please remember, resetting your router will erase all custom settings, including your Wi-Fi name, password, and admin login details. After the reset, your router will return to factory default settings. First, let's reset the router using the web interface. Make sure your router is powered on. Connect your phone or computer to the router's Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1, then press Enter. Log in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, go to Advanced. Select Administration, then click Backup Settings. Now click Erase or Factory Reset and confirm your choice. The router will restart automatically. This may take a few minutes. If you can't access the settings page, you can do a manual reset. Make sure the router is powered on. Locate the small reset hole on the back of the Nighthawk router. Using a paper clip or pin, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button when the power light starts blinking. The router will reboot and restore factory default settings. After the reset is complete, your router will act like new. Reconnect to the default Wi-Fi network shown on the router label. Open a browser and follow the on-screen setup instructions to create a new Wi-Fi name and password. You can now reconnect all your devices. And that's how you reset a Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi router. Thanks for watching.